Hi there, and welcome to Storytime with Kay. Today we will read Goodnight Goodnight Construction Site, Excavators 1, 2, 3, by Sherri Duskey Rinker and illustrated by Ethan Long. This book was published by Chronicle Books in 2019. Excavator arrives on site, ready to work and do it right. The team's counting on him today, so he'll get started right away. He revs right up and digs right in. There's one foundation to begin. With the dump truck, it's a 2-truck crew. He'll help Excavator through and haul away what they don't need. This team has toughness, strength, and speed. Excavator lifts 3 loads of sand and digs 4 trenches in the land. Then Excavator can begin to set some drainage piping in. He sets 5 pipes, all in a row. Dump truck backfills, and off they go. Excavator lifts and twists around and quickly clears 6 gravel mounds. Excavator loves to dig, lift, run, but how he's having too much fun. Dump truck blows a few stern puffs. Get back on track now, friend, he huffs. Excavator jumps right into action, revs up the hill with super traction. He dumps 7 scoops in dump truck's bed, then rolls back down on sturdy tread. The two keep rocking all day long, lifting, hauling, quick and strong. They see 8 boulders, huge and gray. One lifts them, one hauls them away. Big Excavator stops, digs, rolls, and in a flash he's dug 9 holes. Giant piles, 10 in all lined up, all neat and tall. The sun has set, the workday ends. Everyone counts on these great friends. At one awesome construction site, 2 trucks did their jobs just right. Their day is done. Goodbye, good night. The end. Thank you for reading along. Be sure to rate and follow us for new episodes posted daily.